we have given that A1 is K times A2, B1 is K times B2, C1 is K times C2, D1 is K times D2. We have to show that in numerator we have A1 plus B1, C1, D1 over A2 plus B2 plus C2 plus D1 is equal K. We have to show that this left side is equal to the right side. Let me write this. We have shown that left equals to the right. So let's start from the left side. The left side, let me copy. We have A1 plus B1 plus C1 plus D1 over A2 plus B2 plus C2 plus D2 is equal. Now we have also given that A1 is K times A2, so we can substitute A1 by K times A2. B1 is K times B2, so we substitute B1 also by B2. C1 is K times C2, and D1 is plus, of course, K times D2 over, we have A2, we copy B2 plus C2 plus D2. So this is equal. In numerator, we can factorize K. So we have K times A2 plus B2 plus C2 plus D2 over, we have to copy our denominator, A2 plus B2 plus C2 plus D2. So now we have multiplication in our numerator, so we can reduce this whole expression in parentheses with denominator. So what we got? That this is equal K, and K is equal to our right side. Is our right side. We show that left side is equal to the right side. So this is my solution.